Hi, you're welcome to Curiosity Hustle TV. Today I will share another wonderful platform you can work for and start smiling to the bank. I want you to go to your browser and search for a platform named StarClicks.com. StarClicks.com. I'm currently inside my StarClicks dashboard. So let me scroll down it for you to see so you can see. This is a real company, genuine company you can work for and start any month. So when your money actually reach $50, they are going to pay you automatically certain things for you to even renew again, so some money will still remain inside your account. So this is how the platform looks like. So I was given today work 0.03 cents. I won't like for you, so just need to be consistent in this platform. So by the time you do this work for up to a month, 2 months, 3 months at least, you should be earning good thing from this platform. So what is your job here? Your job is to just click on ads. People come to this platform to register their platform, for this platform to help them promote their site. So your own job is to click on those ads this platform created for you to make income. So that is how this platform works. This is a top advertising platform. This is what you can see. This is the main dashboard of the site. You can see click and publish advert and earn money online. It's an advert platform, just like all these Google AdSense and many more. So popular payout method, fast, secure and reliable. You can register here as you can see yesterday, today and tomorrow with StarClick. You can see publishers earn money online, while advertisers they pay them to help them promote. So we are not working, or we are not advertising our website here. Our own job is to work with this platform, to work on this platform, what by helping them click those ads created. So how can you now register here? Just register a publisher account. But before that, let me scroll down for you to see how the site. So this is how the site can see. Start today, start immediately, sign up and start working right now. Easy sign up page. No skills required. You do not need to be an expert. You do not need any special skills. Turn your time into profit. No better way to earn profit from your time. Fast payout transfer. Quality service and support. No contract, no hassle. Open or close your account at any time. No question asked. So this is the total number of ads already delivered, and this is the total ads published available. And ads click is this, and total member presently they have up to 2 million member presently as at 2021. See, this is a top legit site you can work for. You can see it's a Northern Ireland site, not a Nigerian based or African based site. So just click start now for you to register as a publisher. You can see, so I can see choose your account type. We are not registering as an advertiser, so we are registering as a publisher. Just click publisher sign up. So this is how to like, then you input your first name, your last name, your date of birth, your home address, your city, where you live, your zip code, your phone number, your mobile number, your email address. You confirm your email address, choose a password, confirm password, choose security code. You enter the security code, then you enter your referral ID. Then you identify if you're a robot or not by inputting the code placed below. Then you confirm and you register. So I'll be logging in back to my dashboard for you to verify about my own identification regarding specification of this site. So this is it. So you can see. So this is a genuine site. So if I've already done today work. So if I click on this paper click card, they won't pop up. You can see. Well done, you finish the ads available for silver members. Come back tomorrow again. That I've already done today work. Except if I wanted to upgrade to a higher plan here. So the number 2 platform I will be showing is name what Ad Wallet. Just come. This ad wallet, you can see. Pay the attention. This platform will pay for watching video and also survey and doing simple survey. You can see get ready for watching videos from brands you care about. Each interaction takes just a few minutes and is worth up to $3 plus. Unlock exclusive offers. See how in 45 seconds. Sign up now. Earn real money online from your favorite brand. Watch a video, get rewarded, make money. When you reach $10 threshold, then you can then cash out. You can see. This is how the platform looks like. This is how the platform looks like. You just need to sign up and start working for this platform. Again, that was just it. Kindly hit the notification bell and subscribe so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I drop some video just like this. Thanks.